A waste walk is a structured observation exercise. You go to where work happens and deliberately look for the 8 wastes: transport, inventory, motion, waiting, overproduction, overprocessing, defects, and unused skills. Schedule 30 minutes. Pick one area, walk the process end to end, and note what you see, not what you assume. Take photos, ask operators what frustrates them, and record specific instances rather than vague impressions. Avoid fixing on the spot. The goal is discovery. Afterwards, categorize findings and prioritize the biggest opportunities. At a logistics distribution center, a team walking the packing station spotted operators walking 12 meters to collect labels, a restocking trolley blocking the aisle, and expired stock on shelves. Those 30 minutes generated 3 improvement actions that reduced packing time by 15%.